My name is Katie Shipman. I am with Paulding County Animal Control. Every month we try to choose an organization here in the Paulding County area. This month we have chosen the Paulding Pregnancy Center. They are looking for items such as diapers, wipes, we've got formula. There's going to be a whole list available for you. We have a variety of animals here, mostly dogs and cats. Every once in a while we'll get something fun or interesting. We've had dogs here as long as January. We've got a great variety of cats right now. We've got some kittens still, but yeah, we've got some really great dogs and really great cats for adoption. We're going to be at Trick or Treat Village this year. We'll hopefully have some animals, weather permitting. We'll have some animals available for adoption. October 25th, come out and see us. So if you have any questions, give us a call, Paulding County Animal Control, 770-445-1511. Tuesday through Friday, we're 12 to 4, Saturday 12 to 6, Sunday 12 to 5. The only day we are closed are Mondays.